In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zendesk. Merging tickets is a useful feature in Zendesk that allows you to consolidate multiple tickets into one, which can help maintain a clean and organized workflow while ensuring that all information about a particular issue is kept in one place. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Zendesk account as an agent. After you've accessed your main dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side where you'll find the sidebar. This area is the central hub for managing your tickets. Look for the option labeled Views and click on it. Clicking on Views is going to allow you to see all your current ticket views, making it easier to locate the ones you wish to merge. With the views open, identify the specific ticket you'd like to merge with another. You can locate a ticket by scrolling through the list or using the search bar at the top if you know the ticket ID or keywords related to it. Once you've found the ticket, click on it to open and view its details. Inside the Ticket Details view, you'll notice a menu at the top of the page. This menu provides you with several options for ticket actions. Focus on the option labeled More. A click here will unveil a drop-down list of additional actions you can perform with this ticket. From these options, you'll need to click on Merge into another ticket. This option is specifically for consolidating tickets. Next, a new view will open, allowing you to select the destination ticket you want to merge into. This is the ticket that will remain active with all the combined information. Choose the ticket by either searching for it or selecting it from the list that Zendesk provides. It's crucial to ensure that you are merging into the correct ticket to avoid losing important data or creating confusion. Once your destination ticket is selected, you'll see a button labeled Continue Merge. Clicking this button tells Zendesk that you've confirmed your selection, but it doesn't finalize the merge just yet. This precautionary step acts as a buffer, allowing you one last moment to verify your choices. Now, it's time to finalize the action. Click on the Confirm and Merge button. This will complete the merging process. The tickets will now be combined, with all notes and communications rolled into the destination ticket, effectively keeping everything in a single conversation thread. By following these steps, you'll efficiently merge tickets, aiding in better ticket management within your Zendesk account. Always remember to communicate with your team about any significant merges you've done, to keep everyone informed and ensure that customer interactions remain seamless and tracked. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zendesk tips and tutorials.